Meet RuhBot for data analytics. Your intelligent AI-powered work assistant seamlessly integrated into Microsoft 365. It is a powerful Power BI integration that allows users to interact with their organizational data directly through RuhBot. It enables users to explore, query, and analyze business intelligence data via natural language conversations without needing to navigate Power BI manually. RuhBot can list all Power BI workspaces accessible to the organization. Users can discover which workspaces are available and navigate between them effortlessly. Simply ask RuhBot, "What workspaces do I have access to?" As you can see, it will list all the workspaces assigned to you or access you have. RuhBot can list all reports within a given Power BI workspace. This gives users an at-a-glance view of available dashboards without logging into Power BI. As you can see, it listed all the reports in Power BI workspaces. RuhBot can list all datasets available in a Power BI workspace. This is essential for understanding what data sources are powering the reports and dashboards. For example, list the datasets in my workspace. As you can see the listed data set in Workspace. One of the most powerful capabilities, RuhBot can execute DAX, data analysis expressions, queries directly against a Power BI dataset. This allows users to retrieve custom, on-demand calculations and metrics from their data in real time. Users can ask analytical questions in natural language, and RuhBot translates them into DAX queries and returns results. Let's see RuhBot in action. Our first scenario begins with an executive asking, "RuhBot, give me an executive summary of the sales performance." Within moments, RuhBot analyzes the dashboard and presents a concise overview, including total sales, total quantity sold, average sales, the highest performing country, leading product category, and a clear summary of overall business performance. Next, upon asking, "Which country generated the highest sales?" RuhBot automatically identifies France as the top-performing country, displays its sales contribution, compares it with Germany, and even provides the DAX query used to calculate the result, making analytics completely transparent and easy to validate. Now let's explore geographical insights. A user asks, "Show me the top 5 cities by sales." RuhBot instantly ranks the cities, highlights London, Berlin, Vienna, Madrid, and Paris, and presents their respective sales values along with contribution percentages, enabling decision-makers to quickly identify their strongest markets. Understanding product performance is equally effortless. By asking, "Which product category contributes the highest revenue?" RuhBot analyzes category-wise sales and profit, compares technology, office supplies, and furniture, and explains which category is driving the business along with its overall contribution. RuhBot also supports interactive dashboard filtering. For example, when a user says, "Show only central region sales," the agent automatically applies the required filters, refreshes every visual on the dashboard, and presents updated KPIs, top-performing cities, and category insights without requiring any manual interaction. One of RuhBot's most powerful capabilities is its natural language understanding combined with DAX intelligence. A finance user simply asks, "Calculate total sales for France." RuhBot automatically generates the appropriate DAX expression behind the scenes, executes it against the Power BI semantic model, and returns the calculated result instantly. Users no longer need to know DAX syntax to retrieve complex business information. With RuhBot Data Analytics Agent, organizations can unlock the full potential of Microsoft Power BI by combining conversational AI, intelligent DAX generation, and advanced business analytics into one seamless experience. Thank you for watching the RuhBot Data Analytics Agent demonstration. Welcome to the future of AI-driven business intelligence.